Hi guys, Lee Gettess here with the Market Sense for the week of March 14th, 2017. That's Pi Day, so by the time you see this, hopefully you're full of it. All the charts we use in this presentation are provided to us by Gettess and their Trade Navigator software. And we're looking at a weekly bond market chart here, which is beginning to show signs of possibly being in trouble. I really thought this sideways was part of a basing pattern that they would go up from, and that is still possible. But they are weakening enough to cause some concern. I understand markets have a tendency to do something into news and then do the opposite out of it. And so the Fed will raise rates, I'm almost certain, at Wednesday's meeting, and maybe bonds will rally when they do that. I know that sounds wrong and ironic, but they're bonds. What we were looking for potentially is support here in the 145.18 area. Really kind of didn't want them to get there. Wanted them to make a marginal new low below last week's low, and that's it, but they've been a little lower. And if they're going to continue down, the resistance is around the 148.04 area here, which clearly they haven't been to yet. So definitely couple that with the fact that their momentum indicator has turned down here, and there is some concern that they will just take out this low, and there's not a lot of support below this. If they do, they could get seriously ugly here. Now, if they can turn back up, we have resistance in the middle moving average around 149.20 and up here at the upper moving average 151.12. Both of those are possible, and I mean this week. But again, they're offering some warning signs here, little signs of life. They rallied a bit Tuesday. So I'm sure they'll react to the Fed Wednesday. I thought it was going to be the upside. I'm a little less certain now, but hang on to your seats. Stocks look completely different. They look like they're doing absolutely nothing since they made new highs a couple weeks ago. They got a small week and now a smaller week, and I'm not sure they're even going to react to the interest rate rise, which I'm fairly certain is coming. I kind of think the way to look at this is from a breakout standpoint. I think if they go above 23.81 here, they should keep going. But if they go below 23.49 and down in this area, boy, they could really go then. I mean, they could be below 2300 awfully quickly if they do that. I'm not totally convinced that they'll break out. They could just stay within this fairly large week here or in this area for quite some time even. But I'm thinking there's a chance we'll get a breakout move starting Wednesday afternoon after the Fed releases their statement. And, I know that's bizarre. I don't think anything the Fed will do will come as a surprise, but it doesn't matter. There's a pent-up demand, and the market loves an excuse to do something, and so maybe Wednesday is when they want to go play. So that's what we've got for you today. I hope you can find something profitable to get yourself into.